Welcome to the future of business, where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. By 2025, AI will have transformed the landscape of lead generation, offering unprecedented opportunities for businesses across the globe. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to predict customer behaviors, optimize marketing strategies, and increase your conversion rates exponentially. But what does this mean for you as a business professional or marketer in the USA, Kosovo, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Turkey, Singapore, Germany, Spain, Iceland, and Switzerland? Let's dive into how AI is set to revolutionize lead generation. Firstly, the challenge. As we look ahead, businesses face the daunting task of adapting to rapidly evolving technologies. The digital marketplace is becoming more competitive, and traditional methods of lead generation are falling short. Enter AI, a transformative force that can analyze vast amounts of data in real time. AI will enable you to identify high-quality leads with precision, ensuring your marketing efforts are targeted and effective. Imagine a system that learns from each interaction, refining your lead generation process every step of the way. Consider this. AI-powered tools can segment audiences based on behavior patterns, predict the best times to reach potential customers, and even personalize messages to resonate on a deeper level. These tools will not only save time, but will also enhance your engagement strategies, leading to higher conversion rates. But how do you start? First, assess your current lead generation strategies and identify areas where AI can fill the gaps. Implement AI-driven CRM systems to streamline your processes and integrate AI analytics to monitor and optimize performance continually. Next, invest in training your team to understand and leverage these AI tools effectively. Knowledge is power, and equipping your team with the right skills will ensure you remain at the forefront of this technological wave. Finally, stay informed. The world of AI is ever-changing, and keeping up with the latest trends and advancements will be key to maintaining a competitive edge. As we conclude, remember this: AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's here, ready to transform how you connect with potential clients and grow your business. By embracing AI for lead generation, you're not just preparing for the future, you're building it. Thank you for joining us in exploring the exciting possibilities of AI in lead generation. Stay ahead of the curve and watch your business thrive in this new era of innovation.